Hi all, welcome to Cook for Fun. Today I'm going to make mini cut cake. The ingredients needed are 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of semolina, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Into a mixer, add 3 eggs, sugar, salt, cardamom powder, and mix it very well. Once it is mixed very well, pour it into a bowl. Into this mixture, add semolina and then mix it very well. Once it is mixed very well, start adding flour little by little and mix it up. After adding the last bits of flour, use your hand to mix it and make it into a dough. Once it is a dough, apply some oil all over it. Take a small piece of a dough and start rolling it. Once it is rolled, slice it into small cubes. Once it is sliced, cut each cube in crows. Place a fry pan on high flame with oil in it. Once the oil is hot, start adding the cake into it. After adding the cake into it, lower the flame into medium. Then flip the cakes over. Once the cake is golden brownish color, start taking it out of the oil. Now, our mini cut cake is ready. Please do try this at home, and it is very tasty. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also, like, share, and comment. Follow us on Instagram at Cook for Fun. Thank you.